In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get notifications of a Trello board. Trello, as many of you may know, is a fantastic tool for organizing projects, collaborating with teams, and keeping track of tasks. But sometimes, you might find yourself needing a little extra help staying on top of the latest updates and changes happening in your Trello boards. That's where notifications come in handy. Let's dive into how you can set this up step by step. Start by opening the Trello board on which you want to receive notifications. Once you have the board open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You will see an icon that looks like three dots arranged vertically. Give that a click. This will open up a menu with several options. What you want to do here is select the option labeled Watch. By doing this, you're essentially subscribing to all the activities on this board. Whether it's a new card being added, a task being completed, or a comment being made, you'll receive notifications for each action. And just like that, you're all set to start getting those updates as they happen. However, you may want to fine-tune how and when you receive your notifications. Trello gives you the ability to customize this to better fit your needs. Look for the bell icon, again in the top right area of your Trello interface. Clicking on this icon will cause a menu to pop up. In this menu, there is another three dots icon you'll want to click on. This brings up an option to adjust your notification settings, labeled as Notification Email Frequency. Here, you have choices. You can decide if you prefer to get notifications instantly as they happen, or perhaps you might opt for a more periodic update schedule, depending on how you like to manage your time and attention. But what if email isn't enough? Maybe you need to be alerted right on your computer desktop. Well, you're in luck because within the same settings area, you can also enable desktop notifications. This means any activity on the board will prompt a notification pop-up directly on your screen, keeping you informed without the need to constantly check your email. And there you go. That's all it takes to stay in the loop with your Trello boards using notifications. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that nothing slips through the cracks and that you're always on top of your projects. Thank you for joining us today, and happy organizing in Trello.